I've noticed a weird bug from the last video. I'm gonna face the enemy at the end of the platform. Then I'm gonna do the flying kick. We have this weird 180 turn. This was happening because AI was still running after the player death. I'm gonna come up with a general control for AI that's just gonna completely shut it down after death. But for now, I'll do a quick and dirty solution. So inside character control, where the character is turning, this function called face forward, I'll just add a condition here where if the skin mesh animator is turned off, meaning the ragdoll is turned on, then we don't want the character base turning anymore. So now if I go back and do the exact same thing, meet the enemy at the edge of the platform and do a running kick, and the dead body's not turning anymore. Here it is one more time. I'll try it on the third platform. Okay, and things are working fine.